welcome to the official Gemini Cookout Challenge. Today we have a set of ladies and we'll be doing a whole lot of interesting things. We are also celebrating International Women's Day. Shout out to Matlokgonolo Ledwaba for allowing us to use the Breadbox to showcase all types of creativity and talent. Let me tell you more about Gemini. Gemini was created for creativity and problem solving. Today I'm putting these ladies to the test. I want to see if they can use Gemini prompts to see if they are able to put a braai together.
Hi, I'm Capello Makwane. I'm the Google Country Director in South Africa, and it's an absolute pleasure to be here at the Google Gemini Cookout, celebrating International Women's Month, and I'm looking forward to my skafteen out of the dishes that will come out today.
Making a delicious loaded chakalaka. We're making some roasted potatoes and we're gonna have some corn as our starches. And then we're having a little bit of everything on the meat, a bit of chicken, a bit of horse.
Fancy. Is the stove on? I love that. Are you guys using prompts or is this just for the moment? I don't think Sia knows how to make green salad, so the prompts will come in very handy, Sia. We're prompting.
Oh my goodness. Did you see the enemy look at me? Did you see the enemy?
I see 4 eyes. I see 4 eyes. Everybody's looking calm, but they're also looking stressed. And I love that for us.
Sia's kitchen is hot. It's hot in this kitchen.
Hello! I'm not gonna lie, the braai was way too hot, so now my meat is cooked on the outside, but hey, it's fine, we won't talk about the inside, ne?
Uploaded an image on Banana and it gave us inspo for all these meals. It took us to Mexico, South Africa, and then it also included the fitness bunnies.
Today we've created a feast where the kasi meets Kuro. It's township soul meal that definitely stands in the Woolworths queue. A Gen Z and a baby boomer have joined forces at the fire.
Search is live! Congratulations to our winners and thank you so much.
Ladies, there you have it. That brings us to the end of our official Gemini Cookout Challenge. Well done to all the ladies. They put in the work, they put in the effort, and they did lovely. Did you see all those colors? This is me, Danae Jones. Thank you so much for spending this wonderful day with us. I wish you a happy International Women's Day. Okay?